Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. As a surprise to no one, today I have another Temu haul. In my defense, I got some coupons, so I had to use them, of course. I have like hundreds of things to show you, so this might be just a part one. If you're new to Temu, I've made a ton of videos kind of like explaining how it works, my tips and tricks, and my favorite things. I also have a discount code. You get 50% off your order, so you can use it. It's not sponsored, and I'll have everything linked down below that I can find. You can also follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I love doing little quick unboxings of Temu on TikTok, and I post a ton of my life over on Instagram. Anyway, that's everything I have to say. Let's get into it. I've been really liking getting basic tops like this off of Temu. They're like $5 to $8, and the quality is really comparable to Amazon. So I got this gray one to wear under my jumpsuits. I got two more tops, but these are the long sleeve version. They had these really pretty pinks that I couldn't pass up. They were perfect for working out during the fall and winter once it actually gets cooler in Houston. And they are super stretchy, so they'll definitely fit over my bump. This really pretty neon fuchsia pink. I cannot wait to wear these. I've been kind of tired of the plain looking bows, so I thought I would invest in more like elaborate ones. These were $4 a pack, which is definitely a little bit more pricey for Temu, but the quality is definitely there. You can tell these could have come from a baby boutique. Very happy with them. They have a ton of different color combinations. I got the brown for fall, pinks because that's Olivia's wardrobe color of choice, and reds for the holidays. Speaking of Christmas and the holidays, I know it's really early, but I wanted to get some ribbon, and I don't need to get like yards on yards of ribbon, so I got this green one for some ornaments that I'm planning on doing. That was like $1.68 or something, and then this blue one to wrap some baby shower gifts. I've been seeing a lot of ads for the Tush Baby, I think that's what it's called. Basically, you put this on your hips and it just supports the weight of your baby or your toddler. That way it doesn't fall on you only, so it makes them easier to carry if you're like at an airport. I've seen a lot of people wearing them like at theme parks like Disney, so I thought I would give it a try considering I have a pretty heavy 2.5-year-old and I'm pregnant, so we'll see. I got this for really cheap and it feels pretty good, so I will let you guys know how this works out. I also got some placemats for Christmas. I got 4 for $5, I believe, and I love the nutcracker. It's like one of my favorite ways to decorate for Christmas, so I think I might order another package just so I can have 8. Super disappointed about this one. So Tangle Teaser is my favorite hairbrush, and it's kind of expensive for a hairbrush. It's like $15. So I thought I found a Temu alternative, but I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm gonna keep it in the plastic because I'm returning. It's all squish, and the best part of the Tangle Teaser is that the bristles are really sturdy, and these simply aren't. So not worth it, even though it was like $2 I'm returning. This was also not worth it. I've seen these. I think kids really like it, but the size is just a little too small for comfort. I feel like I would lose it, so I'm better off just spending a few more bucks on Amazon and getting a bigger size. These are monitor memo boards. They just attach to your desktop, and you can like write on them or put sticky notes or something. Thought this was nice, maybe like to recommend for the holidays. I got this print for Olivia's room. Hopefully one day I'll have another girl and they can share a room and this print will be hanging on it, but I've become completely obsessed with Temu art prints. They are such nice quality. They look like they're painted on there, and this was literally $2. A ton of baby onesie pajamas. I'm just looking for the best quality ones so I can buy them for my son, but also to recommend to y'all. So this is by far my favorite brand. I'm giving this to my best friend. Her nursery is hot air balloon themed. The softest ones, they have the double zipper, the mittens, the footies. They're just the nicest ones. This one is the second nicest, but there's something wrong with the zipper and with this situation right here, so I will be returning. Usually though, these are pretty nice. I don't know what happened, and I really like this color, so I'm just going to exchange it. This is not a bamboo material, just warning y'all. It just feels kind of stiff. It's not my favorite, but I really like this print, so we'll see if I keep. Another one of these onesies. Once again, not exactly bamboo, but it is really cute. I love this print. Looks pretty stretchy. Quality though, doesn't seem great. I got Olivia 2 of these pajama sets. The prints are just to die for. I think they were like $8 or $9 each. They're so cute. So I got a size 2 to 3 and they'll definitely fit her now and last her for quite a bit. This hair towel wrap is so cute with the little strawberries. This will work great. I'm gonna wash it before I use it. You guys, in my last Temu video, I showed y'all that I got Olivia one of these little personalized brushes, and I have so many baby showers coming up. These are not the names for our baby, by the way, but I thought these were so precious. I think you can tell this one, like the embossing is way more pronounced than, so that was a weird quality thing, but they're $5 and they are such a cute keepsake for a baby shower. I need to figure out a good way to show you all this, but basically this is a keychain that you put in your keys, and it's meant to put your engagement ring or your wedding band or any sort of jewelry, and it keeps it safe from, you know, if you're at the beach or at the gym. I thought this was genius and I really wanted it because I never have anywhere to put my jewelry. I'm having deja vu, so I think I definitely talked about this before. This is quite literally the most unnecessary thing ever, but I thought it was so cute and a little helpful actually. It's for the fan, so you can differentiate the fan from the light. I got the gold brass version and this is just so darn cute. If you have a toddler, this is perfect, and I feel like it would save me so much time when I'm chopping up strawberries or berries in general. The cutter, and then you can also take out the pit with this tool. I need to look up a video on how to do this because I have no idea and I have no strawberries, so I can't really show y'all. If I tried one thing, then I would have known. Yeah, but this is how it works. So you can remove the core, is what I meant to say. Did I say the pit? Strawberries don't have pits, Philo. So up until this point, I've had such good luck with Temu personalized things, but y'all, this is tragic. I can't really show you the second blanket I got because it has a potential name for us, but this is the name of one of my friend's babies. So I wanted to get her a light blue blanket. This was also discontinued. Quality is truly awful. Like, I wouldn't get this at all. The color is off. This is like a purple, blue, navy situation, and I got specifically a light blue. So unfortunately, this was a big fail and I better get refunded. This is our first year ever doing Elf on a Shelf. I never did it in Puerto Rico. So when I saw this on Temu, I thought this would be a great idea because I really don't know what to do. And it comes with this kit. I will say, it only comes with, I believe, 14 of actual activities. The rest are like a welcome letter, a goodbye letter, and then these like jokes. I don't know. I thought it was kind of misleading because that's 24 days, but you only get so many of these miniature things. However, for like $9, it's such a steal. And I think this is really fun and easy for parents. Like, you don't have to go out and buy a ton of miniature things. You can get everything for $9. So I'm excited to do it. That being said, I also got this little thing. This is kind of like a kit on where they go back to the North Pole or whatever. I think they call it fairy doors. I got the pink one. It comes with like a little welcome mat, a ladder. I think this is for the door. I'm definitely gonna have to glue or use my hot glue gun. A fence. It's very cute how they have it all laid out, but I need to figure out where I'm gonna put this. This is very, very cute. Oh, I think, yeah. Oh, that makes a lot more sense. Definitely glue this on. I'm not gonna use these, that's not gonna hold. But I need to figure out where I'm gonna put this, and I also really need to get an Elf on a Shelf. So if you have any tips on where to get those, let me know. I got this washi tape dispenser. I thought this would be perfect for the holidays. I love using washi tape for Christmas cards and gifts. So I thought having this dispenser was useful. I could fit maybe one more in there. These are not super thick. I get them at Hobby Lobby. This is like $4, and I always say I love getting like stationery and things like this from Temu. I just got these in the mail today. I want to start doing kind of like a very, very light homeschooling, just teaching her certain things on different days. So I picked up this little flashcard thing with emotions. There's all kinds of emotions, and I like that it already comes with the ring. It's double-sided. I thought this was perfect. I don't have to print out anything. Everything's right here. This was like $2, and this is the seasons. Then I'm gonna do a little activity for her, so I'm gonna keep it in this right now, but I thought it was nice to have. Do I have a dirty mind of does this look like a boob to anyone else? Or like a nipple? I don't know. I thought this little pumpkin pillow was gonna be cute. I think I got it for like $4, but now if you look at it from this way, I literally cannot unsee the nipple, but I thought it was pretty cute. It's like Sherpa and decently made, but it is a very small size. I got this rib 2-piece set. It's supposed to be a skim stoop, but I feel like the seams make it look unfinished or like it's inside out. So this is what the top looks like. These are the bottoms. Once again, I just feel like this doesn't look right, and this is the right way. So I don't know. I think I'm gonna return. I've shared this with y'all already, but I want to do a horse theme for baby boy's nursery. I got this thinking it was gonna be at least twice the size, hopefully bigger. It is so miniature. I have no use for this, so I will be returning. In their defense, it was only $4, but still, this is tiny, so no. I got this tool to round up edges. It comes with 3 different ones, and I thought this was perfect for Christmas cards. So I always want to charge you extra to do that, and I thought I could just DIY it. I got one of these baby teething things. You just put like fruit or something cold inside, and it just helps them through teething. So I got one for myself and one for my best friend. I got this for my hair extensions. They are most likely in a drawer right now getting tangled up. They almost always are, so I thought this would be nice to have. I think I paid only $5 for it, and it's great for travel. We have a few trips planned for the fall, and we've never been on a road trip with Olivia. This is like a little tray for her car seat. Safety wise, I don't know how safe it is, so we probably would never like keep it on at all times, only like for when she's eating or something. But I thought this was maybe convenient. I'm a little concerned about the safety aspect of it. This is like a huge sheet of, I don't want to open it because I don't need it right now. It's like a coloring book roll, if you will. So I thought this was perfect for just the kids during parties or the holidays, just to tape it on the floor and then they can just draw on it. So I'm gonna save it for that. Very random, but I got this set of highlighters for Olivia. This could be cute for like a teacher gift or a stocking stuffer, but just warning you, you cannot separate them. Like you kind of have to give them like as a whole because all the lids are connected. That's everything for today's Temu haul, but do not fret, have way more coming. It's so embarrassing, but this is just like a really small portion of how many things I have either getting in today or coming in the mail. No regrets though. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.